So here we have my mom finishing a quilt, putting the binding on it for me. She's rounding the corners. We slightly round our corners to give them, just to make it easier. We don't do the mitered corners with this machine. I'm told that you can, but we've honestly never tried it because we've never had an issue with rounding the corners. As you can see, we do serge our quilts before binding. She's cut the binding flush with the quilt, and then she just sews over it. Now she's going to cut the bias binding tape in her special way into this triangle shape, and then she feeds it back through that feeder. Now, I had a lot of people in the last couple of videos that I post complain that I don't show the finished product, so I am going to show the finished product in this one. And a lot of people complain about the binding and the thread not matching, and honestly, if I were making a show quilt, sure, I would do that, but I'm not, and I also wouldn't use this binding on a show quilt. This is just for customers or for quilts that I have sold. This binding lasts. I have quilts that are as old as I am. I'm 37, that have lasted just, the binding's not falling apart, but some parts of the rest of the quilt are falling apart. I've never had any issues with it. It works great. Now, some rolls of the binding are troublesome. But yeah, here's the finished product.